have a Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista espresso maker that wasn't producing a good crema. So I'm going to take this apart to see what the problem is. So there's a screw under here that hopefully will release this piece right here, and this may be dirty, so we're going to take this off and see if we can clean it. I think it may be affecting the amount of pressure that the water needs to make a really good crema. So I gave all the parts a really good cleaning. I don't know if you know this, but this is the front side, this is the back side, and this was black, but now it's nice and clean. Cleaned all the screw. Okay, to reassemble this, the very first piece you need is this little screw here. Then you set the spring on top of the screw. Now this piece goes into the hole with the screw part first. Then you put your little lid on, and then you put this screw in and you tighten it.